The goal of this presentation is to explain the time value of money, 5 models of time value of money, and its application in business and management decisions. The time value of money means that money in your hand is worth more today than money you're going to receive at a later date. The money today is worth more because there is a cost for money, which is the interest paid for the borrowed money. There are 3 variables in time value of money analysis. Number 1 is the interest rate. Number 2 is the time period. Number 3 is the amount of money. The amount of money could be in present value, future value, or payment. Let's assume someone is offering you $10,000 today or $10,000 after 2 years. What would you prefer, assuming that you have money in both savings and investment accounts? The $10,000 today is the present value. $10,000 after 2 years is the future value. Both values are the same in the offer. Rational individual or rational manager would select money today because money in your hand worth more than money you will receive at a later date. If you to receive $10,000 today and deposited the money in an interest-bearing account at 5% for next 2 years, you will have $11,025 in your bank account by the end of the 2 years. The value of $10,000 that you have in your hand after 2 years is $11,025, which is greater than $10,000. That's why you would prefer $10,000 today, not $10,000 after 2 years. If you ignore the time value of money concept, you will not be able to make the right personal or business decision. Let's take another example. You invested $1 million in an investment account today because the forecast indicates that the investment will generate $1.2 million at the end of 2 years. That is $200,000 in profit. Problem with this analysis is you have ignored the time value of money. If the cost of borrowing $1 million was 12%, let's analyze the decision. The initial investment is $1 million. Interest cost is $240,000. Total investment including the interest cost is $1.24 million. The total investment including interest cost is $1,240,000. The investment is going to generate $1,200,000 at the end of 2 years. The difference between $1,200,000 and $1,240,000 is $40,000, which is the loss of $40,000. You will lose money in this investment. That's why you should always use the time value of money analysis in business and management decisions. The 5 models of the time value of money are future value, present value, the future value of annuity, present value of annuity, and the loan amortization model. The future value is a compounding process, which means as the time and interest rate increases, future value increases. The present value is a discounting process, which means as the time and interest rate increases, the present value decreases. The future value and present value models are used for single sum or stream of payments of equal amount and equal interval. The stream of payments of an equal amount and equal interval is referred to as an annuity. Future value of annuity and present value of annuity models are used when streams of payment is involved in the decisions. The loan amortization model is used for loan analysis that includes payments, interest, principal, and balance. The first step in time value of money analysis is to draw a timeline. To simplify the analysis, the timeline starts from the left and the starting point is referred to as the period 0 or today. Any period on the right hand side of the timeline is the future period. If the decision is on the period 0 or today, it is the present value analysis, and if the decision is the right of the period 0, it is a future value analysis. If the stream of payment is involved in the analysis, it is a future value or the present value of annuity analysis. The time value of money concept is useful in all functional areas of business such as marketing, finance, operations management, human resources, and information technology. For example, marketing managers will be able to evaluate the profitability of the advertising and promotional plans based on the amount of investment in the plan and its impact on the sales and profitability. Financial managers will be able to evaluate the profitability of replacing the old plant or building a new plant. Operations manager will be able to assess the profitability of a quality improvement program based on the investment in the program. Human resources manager will be able to evaluate the profitability of a retention plans, benefit packages, and training programs. Information technology managers will be able to assess the profitability of hardware and software installation based on the investment and the cost saving generated from the implementation. In conclusion, time value of money simply means that money in your hand worth more today than money you will receive at a later date. The reason the money you receive today is worth more because there is a cost for money, which is the interest paid on borrowed money. There are three variables in time value of money analysis. Number one is the interest rate, number two is the time period, and number three is the amount of money. The amount of money could be present value, future value, or in the form of payments. The five models of the time value of money are future value, present value, the future value of annuity, present value of annuity, and loan amortization model. Thanks for listening.